Do you want to start your career with good package and want to show off your dashboard? Then this video is for you. Hey, this is Gayatri. Today we are going to learn some basics of Power BI and we'll see the interface of it. Before going to learn about Power BI, let's see what is BI. BI is business intelligence. It will take raw data and generate business insights. From those insights, we will make some decisions. And next is visualization. Let's see what is visualization. From this picture, what you are getting, two students are seeing out, and then teacher also started seeing. She went out and then she rescued that cat. If it is in data format, it will take some time. Visualization is nothing but pictorial format of data, and it is used for getting insights easily. Now we get to know what is BI and visualization. Now we'll see what is Power BI. Power BI is a tool provided by Microsoft for visualization. And here we create a dashboards and we will publish this. Let's see this dashboard created using Power BI. From this dashboard, you can get to know A customer generated 19.23 revenue and B customer 23.08 revenue and C customer 57.69 revenue. So if we have dashboard, we can easily get insights from the data. Let's see some primary components of Power BI. First is Power BI desktop. Here we will create reports. And the second is Power BI service. This is online service. We can create dashboards and we will publish it. Third, Power BI mobile. Here we can view the dashboards in mobile. And there are some secondary components of Power BI. First is Power Query. As we all know, Power Query is one of the part of Excel. Same goes here. Power Query is used for getting data from different resources. And Power View. Power View is nothing but here we can create charts and we can visualize them. And Power Pivot. Here we will connect multiple tables. And then Power Map. Here we will display the data in map format. And Power QA. We'll ask some questions on maps and it will generate some insights. And DAX. DAX is an expression which is used to create column and measure and table in Power BI. And it gives additional functionality to a table. Let's see interface of Power BI. Whenever we open a Power BI, this is the interface, we'll see it. This is called preview pane and these are filter pane. This is visualization pane where we can see different charts, and here we have fields pane. Here we will see the table and those contents. And here we have three icons. This is report view. Report view is for creating visualizations. This is data view. Here we can see table and its contents. And this is model view. Here we can build connection between multiple tables. In report view, we have multiple options like clipboard, data, queries, insert. Clipboard is used for copy paste and data option is used for getting data from different resources. Like we can get data from Excel, PDF format data, TXT data, and we can get data from different databases also. And in queries options, we have transform data. If we click on transform data, it will navigate to Power Query editor. There we will clean the data. Here we have insert option. In that we have new visual. Whenever we click this, we will get a bar chart. And we have text box. Here we will generate a text box and then we will text the data. And this is more visuals. If we have a visual in our system, then we can import this using this option. And we'll go to insert tab. Here also we are having new visual and more visuals. And page. In page we have the option called new page. If we click on that, we will generate a new page. AI visuals. These charts are also available in visualization pane and elements. Here we can create a button. For example, if you are having multiple slices and you want to clear filters of those slices at a time, then we can create a button. At a time we can remove all the filters. Elements option. Here we have text box option. As we all know, text box is used for enter data and button. If you are having multiple slices and you want to clear all the slices filters at a time, then you have to create a button which is like reset button. And shapes, you can draw multiple shapes in this report view. And then we'll go to modeling. I told you, using DAX functions we can create table, measure and column. See, here we have multiple options: new measure, quick measure, new column, new table. After clicking this, we should write a DAX function. And this is all about interface of Power BI. Now you get to know what is Power BI and interface of it. Try playing with different options. If you have any queries, don't forget to comment down below. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.